In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image on Mailchimp quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to create more engaging emails with dynamic visuals and informative text, Mailchimp offers a straightforward way to do just that. Together, we'll go through the process step by step, covering everything from logging in to saving your work. So let's dive in. First things first, the trick to seamlessly combining text with your images in Mailchimp lies in using the image plus text block. This feature allows you to effectively display text alongside or over your chosen image, giving your emails a polished and professional look. Let's look at how you can make this happen. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right account to access your campaigns. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to the campaigns section. Here you'll find the all campaigns option where you can view and manage any email campaigns you've created or have in progress. Next, select the campaign you're currently working on, the one you'd like to edit. Click on Edit to start making changes. As you scroll down, you'll come across the Content section. Here, you'll see an option to edit the design of your email. This is where you'll be integrating your image with text. Now it's time to add our main feature. Find the Image plus Text block, which is a very user-friendly tool for placing text alongside your image. Simply drag and drop this block into your existing email layout where you want this to appear. The block's intuitive design makes it easy to adjust as needed, ensuring it fits perfectly within your overall email aesthetic. With your block in place, it's time to upload your image. Click on the image placeholder within the block. You can choose to upload a new image from your device or select from available images in your Mailchimp library. Make sure your image aligns well with your campaign's theme or message for maximum impact. Now focus on the accompanying text. Enter your desired text in the section provided next to or below the image. This is your chance to communicate any essential information related to your image or campaign. Whether it's a catchy tagline, additional info, or a call to action, make sure it's clear and engaging. Once your text is in place, take advantage of Mailchimp's text editor to style it a bit. You can make your text bold, change its color, adjust the size, and more. This editing capability ensures your text not only fits well with your image, but also stands out and is easily readable by your audience. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, be sure to click Save. This saves all of your hard work and ensures your design is ready for the next steps in your campaign strategy. There you have it, a quick and easy way to combine images and text in Mailchimp, enhancing your email designs with visual appeal and communicative power. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.